Hi, this is Kevin from Reese Roofing at 10 Stump Road in Princeton, New Jersey. The homeowner asked me to assist with this claim. I'm up here right now. I did an inspection. So we found 28 on the front. Right has 5 plus. Back has 42 plus. Left has 6 plus. The shingles are creased throughout the whole roof. It's not uniform. We will also be doing a repair attempt on this shingle right here. There was already a prior repair on this roof. The prior repair from a different contractor caused damage. But we will also attempt a... Let's see if I can... This is the shingles above it. So, as you can see already above the shingles, creases are forming, but I will continue to repair it. Based on the shingles above this repair got damaged just like that repair. These shingles are not able to be repaired without causing additional further damage. This damage wasn't here prior to the storm. It shouldn't be there after the storm. In my professional opinion, this roof cannot be repaired. It must be replaced, especially considering the amount of damage we found on all the elevations.